Hi, I'm Laura and this is John, and we've recently built with Hall Hart in Allambie Heights. We actually couldn't find exactly what we wanted until we found a home in Allambie Heights that we absolutely loved. Found out that Hall Hart had actually built the home, and that's kind of what kicked off the process of speaking to Hall Hart about a Knockdown rebuild.
I think the most important thing for us when we were choosing a builder was trust and the track record. And when we first spoke to the team, I think they gave us a lot of comfort that they'd be able to build something really nice and we could call home.
We always felt supported, communicated to. For me and John, we wanted a home that our kids could grow up in, and to see their excitement when they have friends over and, running around the house is just brings us immense joy and happiness.
We've got an outdoor area to, again, sit out there and watch them play, which has been brilliant.
We constantly have visitors. We've got a big kitchen now. We can do a lot more cooking. The kids have space to run around. It was just so rewarding when we got into the home, and the kids were just so excited. Mostly excited about having stairs again, because in our house prior, there was no stairs.
Yeah, I think seeing the kids going to their rooms was exciting, wasn't it? That was a big part of it. When we decided to build the house, the previous house was a single story. We knew when we put a second level on, hopefully there was going to be an incredible view. And I must say, now that we're in here, it's probably my favourite part of the home, being able to go up to the second level. We can see the ocean, have a coffee up there. That definitely gives us a lot of joy, I'd say. A great way to start the day, and probably the part of the house I enjoy being in most. It was obviously a big decision for us, I guess, and I'm so glad we actually took the plunge and did it now, and couldn't recommend the team at Hall Hart enough.
They were just there at every point in the process and really made us feel comfortable as we progressed through the build onto completion. Honestly, the process was better than I anticipated. It's brought us a lot of joy being in the home, and a lot of good memories are being made here in this house.